Look at it, it's going crazy now. Whoa, whoa, look at it, whoa. Whoa, it's going crazy. Whoa, that's the hurricane. There you go, Hurricane Irma is here. Naples, Florida. Collar County. You already know. I'm gonna zoom in and show y'all a little something. Look at this thing. Look. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. I zoomed in. Your name's going on YouTube. You wanna say hi? Let me turn the camera around.
Don't do that.
She's scared of the camera. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. This storm is crazy. I'm on the 4th floor in the balcony of this hotel, man. This hotel is hurricane proof. You know what I'm saying? They got a backup generator supposed to kick in anytime soon. You're supposed to have power from the generator of the hotel, but look at this thing. This thing is crazy. Yo, this hurricane is a beast. This hurricane is a monster. I've never seen nothing like this. I've been through Andrew. I've been through Wilma. I've been through Katrina. This hurricane a beast. If anybody is out here walking in these streets, I feel sorry for you because this hurricane will flip you. It'll slam you in your shit. Like real talk. I'm a MIA day nigga. I'm just in Naples right now. Yeah, this thing wanna take my phone. This wind wanna take my phone. Alright, we're going to side. Hurricane has picked up, y'all. Had to record. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. The hurricane has picked up. No. You can't go outside. My son want to go outside in this hurricane. You crazy, boy? Whoa.
That was the wind? You gotta open the door.
There you go. Hey.
Come on, let's take my baby outside first.
I got a feeling this, you feel me?
Ready?
Go. No, close the door, bro. Close the door. Hey, look at this storm. Oh.
Come on, Irma. What the fuck? Yeah, they're doing it for the company. You stay your ass right here, please. I told Keisha when she was outside, I see all these debris.
Hey, the sign on the roof came off.
Now that's a tornado. That's a. Please don't be.
No, don't open the door. I locked it anyway. I locked the door anyway. Damn. Hurricane Irma in Naples, Florida. You know what I'm saying? This thing live. This thing was crazy. Catastrophe. Look at the roof of the building, man. The roof came off. Look at the pool house over there. It came off. I got some people, you know, outside recording.